Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, so today we are making some pumpkin puree so we can use it to make some fresh pumpkin pie. Alright, so I already scrubbed these pumpkins down. Now we are going to slice these babies open. So I went ahead and just kind of whacked off the tops. Be careful when you're using the knife to do it because these things are really tough. I use a sturdy knife and again some pressure to kind of just like whack them off. All right, that part's done. Now we are going to slice the pumpkin open. So surprisingly, it was pretty easy to get the knife through it, but you still want to be careful not to cut yourself. I tried to cut it in the center, but you can see it's a little bit off, and then I was just kind of rolling the pumpkin forward so we can slice it pretty quickly and easily. All right, so we're going to use a metal spoon to scoop all of the seeds out. So you can definitely clean the seeds and make homemade roasted pumpkin seeds, but I tossed them out because I don't have any use for them. So these seeds were pretty stubborn, so you just want to scoop, use your muscles to get them things out. All right, we're all done, nice and clean. So I went ahead and took a pan and lined it with some baking paper or parchment paper. You just want to place the pumpkin face down, just like that. Well, I was just trying to make sure I fit all the pumpkins on the pan. All right, got it. Now we are gonna put these in a 350-degree oven for an hour, and this is what it looked like coming out. They were very soft. You see I'm pushing on it right there. So they are ready. Look at how hot that is. Yeah, that's ready. Be careful, guys, not to burn yourself when you are checking underneath. And I went ahead and gave it a little taste. There's no flavor whatsoever. All right, so you want to let it cool for about an hour. When you have done so, you are ready to scoop out the flesh of the pumpkin, just like so. Scoop. All right, so one pumpkin actually made about 2 cups. You can use it as is, or you can go ahead and put it in a food processor like I did to puree everything to get it nice and smooth. Okay, we want to pulse a few times and then mix. Alright, we want to just push it down so everything is all together so we can get that smooth consistency. We're going to mix it some more. All right, so we are done with the mixing and this is what it looks like. It looks like baby food. It's very thick and it does have some texture to it, which is perfect. So we're just gonna scoop it out into a bowl. I'm gonna plop that thing right in there. All right, guys, so this is what we have, our pumpkin puree, so we can make some fresh homemade pumpkin pie. Thank you so much for watching the video.